New video about life in Canada, where Lucy is helping me with my work. Spring is almost come to Canada, taking care of my plants. And then we get back again to Snowstorm, so I don't know, is it really spring or what? I'm gonna show you my new underground parking, blood donation again, and of course Costco Haul, because you know, once Costco, always Costco. You know, my car was quite dirty, and luckily for me I found a good and cheap car wash, and the whole washing process cost me around $5. You know, when you're 30 plus years old, it's your time to make your sourdough bread. As you can see, we're making it from bread starter, mixing with some flour, adding water. Lucy is our assistant, so evening chill time with perfect chair, Lucy and YouTube. Decided to make breakfast time lapse. You know, it looks really cool, so I guess I'll add more time lapses later. One more time lapse of me working hard as hell. Relocation to a different space, and Lucy as my assistant constantly helping me, because without her, I don't know, all my deadlines will be gone. As you can see, Lucy is helping me with some emails. It was an amazing, warm and sunny day, so I decided to attend a crush session with our community workout class, and it was awesome. Boxing, music, light. There was also this cute gentleman who was cheering all the attendees. And that's how you know that it's officially spring. Simple but protein food post-workout meal, just cottage cheese with some cherries, banana and a little bit touch of honey. Evening chill with Lucy and Severance TV series. Okay, so I have one Amazon return. I need to get to the nearest Canada Post office. The nearest to me, it was in Shoppers Drug Mart. As you can see, it's a tiny island of Canada Post. You just give it to operator, they scan it, and you're ready to go. You know, Canadian weather is unpredictable. Yesterday it was like 10 degrees and today we are having -7 degrees. Whew. I hope we'll see spring soon. You know, I really like taking care of plants, as this is my form of meditation, and I'm very happy when new shoots appear. So I'm gonna just show you the way I do it with this plant, and maybe a little bit later show you my whole collection. So just stay tuned. Okay, now it's gym time. So basically all the time I'm doing full body workout because it's more effective and interesting to me. I can work out with all my group muscles and feel that it was really a good training. Romantic time with Lucy. Welcome to Canada once was said to me 2 years ago, and now it's March and it's Snowstorm. Wow, wonderful. Okay, so it's next stage for making sourdough bread. You need to feed your starter, add in some water, more flour. So basically there are only 2 ingredients, like water, flour, and the third one is starter that you can make from scratch or ask somebody to share it with you. There is still a snowstorm, but as for now it's less aggressive. Whoop whoop, this is sound the police. Whoop whoop. Morning guys, happy Friday. I had insomnia last night, so in order to survive through this Friday, I need to something with caffeine. Ooh, hope it help. Hope it gonna help. Canada, baby. It was a bad decision to put sourdough starter at this heating pad. It was cooked from the bottom but not the whole. You might think, what about Alex's breakfast? What does he eat? And I'm like, okay baby, it's time for kimchi, it's time for eggs and some spaghetti. You know, when you combine it together, it's not for everybody, but for me it works perfectly. It has protein, carbohydrates, some fat, and of course kimchi provides me with a full range of probiotics for my gut, because it's quite crucial, you know, your gut health in your 30s. Let me show you our cool underground parking. You know, I'm feeling like VIP person in Winnipeg, where it's warm, secure, and limited cars only. Okay, so it's already 2 months past and it's time to donate some blood. You can get water and salted pretzels before the procedure. You're gonna be asked some questions. Now you get this kit and you've been transferred to your chair where nurse has made all the preparations and the donation is flowing. So easy peasy. And in the end you donated 1 pound of your blood, which is cool. As a reward you can get any sweets, treats, but I decided to go with cola and pretzels. To be honest guys, I forgot to shoot entrance to Costco, but let's continue with our previous part where I add some music and you just watch what we got. Snowstorm is over, but we have plenty of snow. Now it's 5 degrees outside and it's melting, causing all this mess. Not the great time of the year. You know, you can buy the best water fountain, but drinking from ladle is an absolute must to do. You know, or even drinking from your cup or glass, but why not? Why not, really?